Let us learn the another set of case endings. Okay, another set of case endings. The next one is here we are going to see about ko. Okay, ko. The meaning is to. Yah phal mohan ko do. Yah phal mohan ko do means give this fruit to Mohan. Okay, the meaning is give this fruit to Mohan do. Yah phal mohan ko do. Yah kitab mujhe do. Yah kitab mujhe do means give this book to me. Give this book to me. Yah copy. Yah coffee Mataji ko do. Give this coffee to the mother. To the mother. Yah kela. Yah kela bandar ko do. Bandar ko do means give this banana to the monkey. To the monkey. Okay. Wherever necessary we have to use in the place of to, the word is ko. The letter is ko in the respective places. Okay. Now the fifth one is ka ke ki. The meaning is of. In the place of we have to use ka ke ki. Okay. There is a different types in this. So now we can see the first one. Ram ka ladka. Here Ram ka ladka means here Ram and ladka both are males. Both are males. The meaning is Rama's son. The meaning is Rama's son. Both are male. We are using the case ending as ka. The case ending as ka. Then there is a difference between here we are having only one singular person. Only one singular person. For the plural persons in male, masculine, we have to use k. We have to use k here. Ram ke ladke. Ram ke ladke means Rama's sons. See here sons represents many people. Plural form. Son represents many people. Here the plural form. Masculine gender of plural form. Okay. There is a difference between see Ram ka ladka. For singular we have to use. For male singular we have to use the case ending as ka. Okay. Male. For the plural we have to use the case ending as k. Case ending as k. That is Ram ke ladke. Rama's sons. Okay. Then now going for the feminine gender. Going for the feminine gender, for both singular and plural we have to use only the case ending ki. Only the case ending ki. See Ram ki ladki. Ram ki ladki. See here I am using the case ending as ki. Here Rama's daughter. Here also this is for one singular. Singular. Okay. Ram ki ladki, Rama's daughter. Then for the plural form see Ram ki ladkiyan. Ladkiyan means many. That is plural form. Plural form also we are using ki. We are using the case ending as ki. Here Rama's daughter. We have to clearly understand that is the masculine singular the case ending is ka. Masculine plural the case ending is ka. The masculine plural the case ending is k. Okay. Then for feminine singular and plural we are using the same ki. See ki. Okay. Ki. Here now we can see many examples like that. Sita ke. Here also we can use Sita ka ladka. Okay. Sita ka ladka. We have to see the another one, not the subject. Okay. Here also we can change the name as Sita, Rama. Rama here we are using Raji. Female. Female also you can use. But the case ending should be as ka. Should be as ka when it is masculine singular. If it is masculine plural we have to here we can change any person. Here we can change any person. Like that, here we can use Rahim, name difference. Okay, Rahim, Mami, okay, any, Kavita, Kartiha, like that we can use here many, but the case ending should be as K. Here we are having Ladke, the plural form. Here also we can change any person or any name, but the case ending should be as singular and plural should be as Ki only. Okay, these are the case endings used in Hindi. Okay, we have seen only the five case endings. Okay, five case endings. It is very useful to make sentence where it is necessary. Okay, clear?